Hi kids, we are going to learn the sounds of the alphabet today and TH, SH, CH sounds. I hope it will be very worth for beginners and grade 1 to 3 kids. Let's see. The first letter is A. A sound is A. Then one example we see apple. A, apple. There's another one more sound for A letter. It is O. Now see children, this is water. Can you see? The A letter sound is O here. V, O, T, A, R. Water. Then A letter has two sounds. One is A, other one is O. A for apple, O sound for water. Okay, the second letter is B. B sound is B. B, ball. B, ball. Okay, next letter C. C sound is K. K, car. C letter sound is K. K, car. Next letter is D. D. D letter sound is D. Dog. D, dog. E. E letter sound is A. A, egg. A, egg. Next one F. F, fur. F letter sound is F. F, fish. F, fish. Okay. Next one G. G letter sound is G. G, goat. G, goat. Next one H. H, her. H letter sound is H. H for hen. H, hen. Okay, next one I. I letter has two sounds again. First one is I. Island. I letter has the same sound I. Island. Next one E. Ink. Then I letter has two sounds. First one is I. The second one is E. I for island. E for ink. Okay. Next one is J. J sound is J. J, jam. J, jam. Okay. Next one K. What is the sound of K letter? It's K. K, king. K, king. After K it's L letter. L sound is L. L for lion. You know this animal. L, lion. L, lion. Okay. The next one is after L letter. What is there? M. Yes. M letter sound is M. M for monkey. M, monkey. M, monkey. M after N. N. N, nut. N, nut. Okay. After N, O. O letter sound is same. O. O, orange. O, orange. After O it's P. P, pig. P. P letter sound is P. P, pig. P, pig. What's the sound of P letter? P. Good. P, pig. Next one Q. Q letter sound is K. Q letter sound is K. Queen. K, queen. Next one R. R letter sound is R. R for rose. R for rat. You have many examples. R, rose, red, rat. Yes. R, rose. Next one S. S letter sound is S. S for sun. S, sun. S letter sound is S. S, sun. Good. Next letter is T. T for tree. T. T letter sound is T. T, tree. T, teeth. T, tongue. You have many examples for T letter sound. T. Okay. Next letter is U. U letter has two sounds again. First one is A. sound. U letter first sound is A. Umbrella, uncle, A. U letter sound is A. The second sound is U. The letter itself we can pronounce as U. Unicorn, U. Unicorn. Then U letter has two sounds. First one is A, umbrella. Second one is U, unicorn. Next one, V. V letter sound is W. W, van. W, van. Next one, W. W sound is also W. W letter sound is also W. W, wolf. W, wolf. Next one, X letter. X letter sound is X. X. X-ray. X. X-ray. Okay. Next one, Y. Y letter sound Y. Y letter sound is Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y. Yo-yo. Last letter is Z. Z letter sound is Z. Not S. Z. Z. Zebra. Z. Zigzag. Z. Zero. There are many examples. Z. Zebra. Okay, we finished the alphabet letters, but we are going to move to the next one. SH. There are two letters, but it builds one sound. Sh. 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 Ship. Sh. Ship. Next one. WH sound. W. WH. There are two letters. It builds a sound. W. W. Whale. W. Whale. W. What. Where. When. All begins with W sound. WH. W. Okay. Next one. TH. TH has two sounds. First one is the. Can you see who is there? It's father. Father. TH sound is the. Another sound is the. Can you see what are these? Yes, these are teeth. The. The and the. There are two sounds for TH. Next one, CH. CH has two sounds. Two. First one is ch. CH. First sound is ch. Chair. Ch. Chair. Next sound of CH is k. What is this? It's Christmas. Yes. Can you see the red color letter CH? We don't say Christmas. It's Christmas. K. CH sound is K. When we write school, we have to write CH, but the sound is K, not ch. Is cool. Got it? Then CH has two sounds, ch and k. Okay, children, I think you learned a lot of things and the sounds of these letters. You better practice reading using this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, bye-bye, children.